What's up, guys? Got another unboxing. This is literally right after filming another unboxing. I'm getting my razor blade because I dropped it like an idiot. But this is Deaddeck's. He just dropped a stock, and I had to get one because my last one got chewed up by a dog. Go figure, my luck. Let's see. Oh man, that packaging is just, it never gets old. Got it nice and taped up. Let me see if I can open it properly. Alrighty. Oh, that looks dope. Dude. Of course he hooks it up with a sheet of broken knuckle tape, which is his favorite. It's nice. And the moostronaut. Look at that. The moostronaut. Those plies. It's all natural with the blue in the middle. Black atop paint job. That looks sick. Let's pop test. That is nice. Man, I can't wait to set this thing up. I gotta wait on my Y wheels though. They're coming in soon. That's gonna be my next unboxing. But gave me 2 vinyls, the spaceships, sheet of broken knuckle tape, and that is my 3rd ever Deaddeck board. Thank you guys for watching.